Welcome this video smart drive away landscape idea. A drive away is often the first thing people note then area at your home. Even if your drive away is smart, you can make its various appear functional and invite with smart landscape idea. A well-designed driveway not only boast cup appear but also add various to your property with some thoughtful plan can transforming a simple into a beautiful and welcome entrance away. Here are some inspired smart drive landscape idea to help you make the most of your space. Add gardening board. One of the simply a way to sub the look of area and smart drive away is to plant gardening board on even side. Low maintenance sub or even gardening plan create a natural edge while give the even your home boxwood or jump work well as then compacts are requested. Minimize term add gardening both side to the drive away. Also help from the space make it look more published and invited. Use flower bed for color flower bed that drive away brightness up the entrance away. Choose colorful like various daily life or black eyes that both throughout the seasoning. If your driveway a short mix flower with right both for textile and vibrant rustic flower bed on stone can also add textile and make the landscape look natural to sub your role beauty convenient seasoning with every garden or plants incorporating gardening cover. If gardening for growing your